guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to try out this e-file. So this is from Blue Top on Amazon. I will link it below, and let's get into it. So they sent this over to me to try. Oh, this is tiny. Look how little that is. They have a purple and a pink one. Decent size weight. Let's get all this stuff out. All right. Yep, has that. Oh, it has a whole bunch of different connectors. Okay. So it's USB powered. The on and off switch is right here. So there's nothing on the drill that will turn it on. It's from the cord, and you have forward and reverse. And then there's one in the middle, so we'll have to see what that does. And then you have speed of rotation right here. Never had an e-file like this, so let's try it out. Is this a wireless drill? No, I guess it wouldn't be if the controls are on that. That was probably super not smart. Okay. I'm gonna, ooh, I have it on. That's right here. Oh, I get it. That's off. Okay, so remember how I said there is a little line here? That's off, forward, reverse, and then that speed control. So they sent this, or this is in the package, and this is a diamond bit, and I believe this is to like just shorten your nail, as in you just have it here and it's gonna shorten it. I have never used one like that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. They give you a little nail brush, and I love these, so honestly, that's a bonus. They give you a couple different grits. So you have, that looks like medium, fine, and coarse. They give you pretty much the generic e-file bits that you find on Amazon. These pretty much come in every package. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. It is a little nail care kit. Let's see. Okay. I don't cut my cuticles, so I probably won't use that. I mean, I'll definitely use these scoopers because I have ingrown toenails. And then, let's see. Okay, so that's an angled one. That's the opening size, which is perfect for nails. If you use these for like crystals to take off, probably not gonna work. I guess, no, I didn't fix it. Maybe it's, oh, there we go, okay. And then this one is probably your curved one, yeah. This one is a slightly larger entryway. This is something that I think is going to be a natural nail kit. Like, looking at what they give you, I don't know if this would be good for enhancements, but we're gonna try. So, okay, so you do twist. Okay, and then tighten. And this is a medium, I believe. Okay, so I have it in forward. It's pretty quiet. Let me zoom out a little bit. Pretty quiet. Lowest setting. Okay. There is vibration in the handle at full speed, but let's see. So right away, I am noticing skipping on this with my builder gel, but I expected that. Again, I don't think this is a enhancement e-file. However, you might be able to use it if you use gel polish. Because again, that's not an enhancement, that's an overlay, where this is actually built up. So I have gel polish and a full coverage tip. So let's try that. So unscrew, pull out. I'm gonna take this guy, push in, righty tighty. Anyone else? Okay, these are pretty well grit. Has a good grit, I mean. All right, I think I have it on a medium speed. You know what, let's try this. And this will tell me if you can use it for gel polish. I just have this one from Madam Glam. It's the Big Apple, which you'll see in an upcoming tutorial if you haven't already. Coming in with a second coat. Keep in mind there's no base coat under this. It's just on the gel polish, but that's fine. Putting my top coat on. And this is a thinner top coat. I usually use a thicker one. Obviously, that is not how it's supposed to look. However, for this test, I think that is fine. Okay. I'm gonna get a fine sanding band because anytime I am removing gel polish, I always use a fine sanding band, and I don't care if it takes forever. Just with gel polish, especially if you're on your natural nails, you don't want it to hurt or cause a lot of friction because these will cause heat because it's a sanding band. So again, I think I have it on medium. Okay, that's not strong enough, it's still skipping. All right, so again, natural nails for sure, enhancements, no. So if you do gel, like a builder gel, or if you're using acrylic, this will not remove it. But if you're using gel polish, you have to turn it all the way up to not have it skip. And there's quite a bit of vibration, but for $20, and if you're just getting into this, you know, it may not be a bad deal. It was able to take off that gel polish. Again, it gives you that kind of buff surface. So if you do have enhancements on, and let's say you go get them done in a salon and you do gel top coat or gel polish, you could have this at home and remove that and put your own on. But again, doesn't work for enhancements, and builder gel, as what I have on, is a lot easier to remove with a drill than acrylic. So if it can't even remove the builder gel, it's not gonna remove acrylic. For 20 bucks, I think it's great. I don't know how long it will last, because essentially you're using it at full capacity every single time. Maybe on your prep, if you're prepping your natural nails, you can turn it down some, but anytime I turned it down, I would have the skipping, which means there isn't enough RPMs from, like, which is rotations per minute, to keep this from skipping. So what you would do is that you would go across here and it would either stay in one place or go like kind of like this before you can get it to go around. It almost gets like stuck on the nail. But for gel polish, I think it would be fine. So this is everything you get in the kit. I should open that. Get in the kit. I will link it below if this is something that you are interested in. Again, not for enhancements, but for gel polish or a natural manicure, because again, you have a lot of different tools here to make your nails look super nice. And if you put gel polish on it, I think this e-file will be fine. So I will make sure to link this below if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.